Here in this clip, I'll explain you about perpendicular bisectors. What is perpendicular bisector exactly? You see from here, let AB be a line segment. So here if I draw like this and written here AB. So this AB, let it be a line segment. Okay, then it is written, mark its midpoint as M. In the particular line segment, if midpoint, I just marked it as M. Got it? Then let MN be the line perpendicular to AB through M. It is written here that from M, if you make any particular portion and mark it as N, okay, and make this MN perpendicular to AB. So this is okay na? AB is the line segment, M is the midpoint, and then mark any point as N and make it MN perpendicular to AB. Clear? Then if you see here, does MN divides line segment AB into two equal parts? The question is asked here that is this MN dividing A and B into two equal parts? So our answer here will be yes. Yes, this MN is dividing AB into two equal parts, right? Now this AB is one straight line, and if I just made here M, so A and B is divided into two parts. Now this is one part and this is another part, one half and another half. So yes, whenever we make something in middle, that mid portion will definitely divide a complete straight line into two equal parts. Okay, then it is written here, MN bisects line segment AB, that is divides AB into two equal parts, is also perpendicular to line segment AB. So what is perpendicular bisector exactly? You got it? So perpendicular bisector is that line. Here this MN is the perpendicular bisector. Why? Because perpendicular bisector is that line which divides any line segment into two equal parts. Got it? What is perpendicular bisector? So perpendicular bisector is that particular line which divides any line segment into two equal parts. Got it? If suppose any line segment we take as CD, this is CD, and if in mid I just made here E and joined this E till F, so can we say that this EF has divided CD into two equal parts? Yes, EF has divided CD into two equal parts, and this EF is the perpendicular bisector of CD. What is perpendicular bisector? So perpendicular bisector is that line which divides any line segment into two equal parts. Okay, so you can see that line segment which divides another line segment into two equal parts is called perpendicular bisector. So we can say MN is the perpendicular bisector of line AB. We will construct it later. Got it? The perpendicular bisector meaning? Based on this perpendicular bisector, we have the question 4 which we will discuss right after this.